Hi, good morning. This video is the continuation of the properties of the materials. Already we have discussed about the mechanical as well as thermal property of the solids. Here we are going to discuss about the electrical properties. We are well aware about the electricity as well as the need of electricity, but the materials are having some electrical properties. Those are shown here in this diagram, which shows electrical conductivity, resistivity, dielectric strength, as well as the capacitance. Here, the electrical conductivity is the ability to conduct the electrical current. It means that the material can pass the electricity through this. Resistivity is the property which is the resistance to allow the resistance to the flow of electric current. Few of the materials are not permitting the electricity to pass through, and few of the materials are permitting the electricity to pass through. Depends upon the applications. The another property is dielectric strength. That is the maximum electric field a material can withstand without breakdown. While passing the electricity, it should not break down. The material should not break down. The next property is capacitance. Capacitance is the ability to store the electrical energy. The next is optical properties. There are four properties which are optical: transparency, opacity, reflectivity, refractive index are the four major properties of optical type. Transparency means the allowing light to pass through without significant scattering. The material which is allowing the light to pass through without significant scattering means that it is the transparency material. Opacity means blocking the transmission of light. Some materials are blocking the transmission of light. Reflectivity is the proportion of light reflected from the surface. Reflectivity is another property in which the proportion of light reflected from the surface. Refractive index means measure of how the light bends when entering the material. Next is magnetic properties. Permeability, magnetization, retentivity, coercivity, susceptibility are the magnetic properties. Permeability is the ability to support the formation of the magnetic field. Permeability is the ability to support the formation of magnetic field. Magnetization is the degree to which a material can be magnetized. Magnetization is the degree to which a material can be magnetized. Retentivity is the ability to retain the magnetization. Retentivity is the ability to retain the magnetization. Coercivity is the resistance to demagnetization. Susceptibility is the degree of response to an external magic field. There are some chemical properties like corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, reactivity, pH resistance. Corrosion resistance is the ability to withstand the degradation due to environmental factors. Oxidation resistance is the ability to resist the reaction with oxygen. Reactivity is the tendency to chemically react with other substances. pH resistance is the resistance to act acidic or basic environment. Physical properties of density, porosity, permeability, surface roughness, and color and appearance. Environmental properties are biodegradability, toxicity, sustainability. Let us conclude here. Okay. Thank you.